Hi everyone, this is your biology class. I'm your teacher Seema Atreja. Students, we were discussing the different steps of fertilization, in which we discussed that when the sperm comes in contact with the egg, there is the formation of fertilization cone takes place. Entry of sperm trigger the second meiosis division, because here the egg is present in the form of secondary oocyte. Meiosis division is arrested at meiosis 1, and when there is entry of sperm takes place and it touches the egg membrane, then in secondary oocyte second meiosis division takes place. So next step is the start of meiosis second in the secondary oocyte. It triggered by the entry of the sperm into the secondary oocyte, and after completion of the meiosis second division, which is the equational division, there is the formation of egg. We also called egg as ooted. Along with this, second polar body is produced. Around the egg, all the cell membranes are also present. In a similar way, around the polar body also egg membranes are there. These egg membranes are dissolved by sperm lysine. Second polar body later on degenerate. What we are observing here, the size of the second polar body is very small. Only the X number of chromosomes are present in them, and all the cytoplasm of the secondary oocytes are present into the egg, which provide nourishment to the developing one. What happens here? That is, metaphase factors deactivated, anaphase promotes factor activated, and second meiosis division is completed. Egg or ooted is formed with haploid number of chromosome, and X number of chromosomes are present into the second polar body, which later on degenerates, and egg participate in the fertilization. So nucleus of the sperm enter inside the egg. After entry of the sperm content into the egg, next step started, that is, there is formation of fertilization membrane takes place, and we called it as cortical reaction. Fertilization membrane is formed here after entry of the sperm content into the egg, and we called it as cortical reaction. Cortical reaction की significance क्या है? Cortical reactions prevent polyspermy. More than one sperm cannot enter inside the egg because of the formation of fertilization membrane. Only one sperm is able to enter inside the egg. This is called monospermy. After entry of the contents of one sperm, there is the formation of fertilization membrane, which prevents the polyspermy. That is, more than one sperm cannot enter inside the egg. This is known as the cortical reaction or formation of fertilization membrane. Now, through the animal pole, contents of the sperm enter inside the egg. That is, from the sperm, nucleus, mitochondria and centriole enter inside the egg through the animal pole. This is the sperm nucleus, this is the egg nucleus. In both of the nucleus there is present the X number of chromosome, haploid set of chromosome. Nuclear membrane around the nucleus disappear, and the chromosome come close to each other, and pairing of the chromosomes takes place, or the fusion of the chromosomes of paternal and maternal side takes place, and there is the formation of synkaryon, in which fusion of the chromosomes of both sperm and ovum takes place and zygote is produced. Centriole which enter inside the egg from the sperm goes to the opposite pole. What is the significance of centriole? It helps in the spindle fibers formation during the first division in the zygote. Division in the zygotes are known as the cleavage. So during the first cleavage, spindle fibers are needed which are formed by the centrioles coming from the sperm into the egg. Pairing of the chromosome of both sperm and egg takes place and synkaryon is produced, which consists of the diploid number of chromosome. So this is how fertilization takes place. What is the significance of fertilization? What we are observing in fertilization, fusion of gametes of two parents takes place. So characters of two parents are mixing. They may lead to genetic variation, and variations are the source of evolution. Or what we observe in this case, inside the polar body, there is no cytoplasm is there. All the cytoplasmic content is retained by the egg and contributed through the mother side only. During the development of sperm, there is no cytoplasm is present inside the sperm. So cytoplasmic contents is retained by the egg only, and cytoplasmic contents are contributed only from the mother side. During fertilization, species specific diploid number of chromosome is attained. X number of chromosome comes from the paternal or father side and X number of chromosome comes from the mother side. And in the zygote, diploid number of chromosomes is attained. Centriole of sperm initiate first cleavage in zygote. After the formation of zygote, division started in zygote for the development of the zygote, which are known as the cleavage. So at that time, centriole of sperm initiates first cleavage. Mitochondria of sperm also enter inside the egg. So there is large number of mitochondria are present in the zygote and high oxygen uptake takes place. So metabolic rate increases in zygote for the further development. As the division in the zygote started, which needed more energy and more growth energy, so more mitochondria are present because mitochondria from the sperm side also enter inside the egg. So high oxygen uptake takes place, metabolic rate increases. So these all are the significance of fertilization. Here is the topic of fertilization is also completed. This is all about in this video. Thank you so much.